Whether you are singing or dancing along to any of your GoNoodle favorites, you can wiggle and giggle every day as you escape for summer fun. GoNoodle, GoSummer! Here's one of my summer favorites now.
Have you ever seen a rainbow? Have you ever seen a double rainbow? Have you ever seen a triple rainbow? Let's go to Rainbow Rock. Gather round everybody and then you'll hear a tale of rainbows in the sky so clear. A single rainbow is a joy to see. Hop onto Rainbow Rock and sing with me. Rainbow Rock. Rainbow Rock. The very next day the rain began to fall. One rainbow was there standing oh so tall. But then a surprise, oh so rare. A double rainbow, a colorful pair. Double rainbow rock. A double rainbow rock. As the sun broke through the clouds that day, a third little friend came out to play. Three bands of colors side by side, a triple rainbow, a really rockin' ride. A triple rainbow rock. Triple rainbow rock. Oh wait, there's more, don't you know? A full set of colors began to glow. Four rainbows dancing over a hill. A quadruple rainbow that gave me a thrill. Quadruple rainbow rock. Quadruple rainbow rock. Rockin' and rollin', these colors so grand. It's a rainbow party all across the land. It's almost time for me to go, but before I do, it's a quintuple rainbow. Quintuple rainbow rock. Quintuple rainbow rock. Rainbow rock. For more Mr. Elephant, check it out on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you get your tunes.
All cats to the dance floor. All cats to the dance floor. Hey, I said get up and get to the dance floor, you cats. It's time to party.
Hey, Tina! What's up? Do you want to come to my party? Hey, Oscar! What's up? Can you please bake a cake? Hey, Esmeralda! Hello! Do you want to make decorations? Hey, Paul! What, man?
Oh, what are you doing Saturday? We're just curious what you were doing.
We are gonna have a cat party. We're gonna have a cat party. We are gonna have a cat party. So bring your hat and something to share. We are gonna have a cat party. We're gonna have a cat party. We are gonna have a cat party. So bring your hat and something to share. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, Rose! How you doing? Can you make a great piñata? Hey, Lamar! Sup, dude? Will you make sure we have hors d'oeuvres? Hey, Jen! You're the DJ! So make sure to play all the hits! Hey, Boris! You're not invited! JK, buddy, we love you! Oh, come on, Boris! Come on! We are gonna have a cat party. We're gonna have a cat party. We are gonna have a cat party. So bring your hat and something to share. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Party! Party, party, party! Party! Party, party, party! Party! Party, party, party!
guys get in here? That guy's a dog! This is a cat party, man! Meow.
Hello and welcome, my Super Noodle friends! I'm so grateful to have you here! Join me today! We're gonna have fun, laughing, learning, exploring, and letting our imaginations wander together! Super Noodle makes learning about ourselves and each other a really cool adventure! We'll get to look for clues, listen to exciting stories, and try new things so we can be our very best selves. Join the adventure with your friends, relate better to each other, handle tough situations, and get to know your amazing tools, like your thoughts and emotions. Check it out! You're about to enter the Champiverse through the fitness forest to begin your Super Noodle journey. I'm super excited to introduce you to your friends, the Champs. They'll guide us through our Super Noodle travels. Each champ is a hero with their own superpowers. They'll lead us on journeys through magical lands. How exciting! Now, let's check in with our hero champ to see where this adventure takes us. Today, we're sharing the stage with Van Gogh, way up on Rainbow Rock, exploring creativity.
Bonjour, Super Noodlers! It's me, Van Gogh. Life is a beautiful being surrounded by you. We're gonna be exploring creativity as it's my superpower, and I bet if you give it a try, it can be yours too. Alright, so a little bit about me as I'm new to your world. My name is Van Gogh, and I live in Rainbow Rock. I like to look at the world from a different perspective. I love to paint in my spectacular outdoor studio, and I often discover what I think are mistakes when I'm being creative are actually really happy accidents. How fantastic is that? Today, on our adventure, I'd like to share with you about having fun and letting happiness help set your imagination free. All of us are one of a kind, and when we share the things that make us each special and unique, life is way more exciting. This reminds me of one lazy afternoon. My friend Squatchy stopped by as I was lounging in my backyard. It was one of those days where the sky was as blue as a tropical ocean, and the white clouds were moving above like they had a plan. I watched as the puffy, cotton candy-like clouds formed into the shape of a running horse. But instead, Squatchy saw the shape of a dog made out of a balloon? My mind was blown that he didn't see the same thing that I did. Have you ever had something like that happen to you, where you were looking at the same thing with your friend, but you saw something completely different? We waited a few minutes while the clouds continued to move around. Ooh, factoid. Did you know clouds are heavy and weigh a lot? An average cumulus cloud, a fluffy white cloud, weighs the same as a jumbo jet, about 500 tons. Amazing, right? I pointed to the sky as I watched a cloud form into the shape of a rabbit riding a flying carpet. But Squatchy saw a toy airplane instead. I wanted to see what Squatchy was seeing, so I changed my perspective by moving closer to Squatchy, placing my view as close to his as I could. I then asked him to draw the outline of the toy airplane with his finger for me to be able to see what he did. And it worked. I left my mind open and was able to see what Squatchy had seen, and it was beautiful. I was able to see both formations. We then switched so Squatchy could see the rabbit on the flying carpet before it disappeared in the sky and became something new. It was pretty neat. Okay, my friends, I need to get back in front of my canvas and paint some of those beautiful cloud formations I'd seen with Squatchy. It's time to get up. We're gonna keep spreading beauty while we take some time to learn about creativity with our friends and our teacher. Alrighty, let's move, Super Noodlers. Spread the colors in 3, 2, 1.
How to make cookie dough hummus.
Squatchy eat cookie. Squatchy eat dough.
Squatchy eat hummus.
You'll need 1 can of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of nut butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, a strainer, a mixing bowl, a mason jar, a blender, and some spoons. Step 1. Pour the chickpeas into the strainer and then rinse them well.
Squatchy's so hungry.
Step 2. Put the rinsed chickpeas in the blender. Then add the nut butter, the vanilla extract, the maple syrup, and the cinnamon. Blend until you have a nice and smooth mixture.
Squatchy need food.
Step 3. Scoop the mixture into the bowl and mix in the chocolate chips.
Squatchy can't wait.
Step 4. Put your cookie dough hummus into the jar, grab a few spoons and a few friends, and dig in. Eat it plain or spread it on apple slices or graham crackers.
Squatchy eat dough and spoons and jar and table and everything.
Do the cookie boogie dance.
Cookie, 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 boogie, 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 cookie, cookie, boogie, cookie, boogie, cookie, boogie, cookie, boogie, cookie, 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 boogie.
Yeah, tasty, right?